Yo, what's up guys, Simon YT here, back with a brand new video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy S21 Ultra. As you can see, this is the cover. Comparing it to the Galaxy S9 box, this is a lot thinner comparing the two together. Now, one thing that was a little bit difficult with this box is that it has this thing over it, and then you have to push to get the actual box out of it. This one is simple. All you gotta do is you just gotta shake it a little. And right inside we got ourselves our Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. But yeah, this is the phone itself. As you can see, it's got the cameras here. The front of it is just basically a screen. They got the selfie camera there. If we go inside the box, we got another thing in here. So let me force out. As you can see back here, actually, we do have this. This is so you can open up your SIM for your phone and stuff. Okay, so let's open this. So here we go. Okay, so there's different slots for different things. Okay, so this here looks like the AT&T SIM card, which I actually already took out of this. Over here, you got this little thing here for the SIM card course. Then we got ourselves a quick start guide, as you can see on here. Then we got ourselves the AT&T personal cloud, which is this, and terms and conditions. So pretty much all they give you, really. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this is the charging cable here, as you can see. It's a USB-C to USB-C, which isn't bad, but it's something I'm not a big fan of, mostly because I prefer the USB on the end, since most of my charging bricks from Samsung has one. And that's one of the downsides with this. It does not come with a charging brick, so you better hope you saved your charging bricks from your previous Samsung Galaxies, or just have any sort of charging brick lying around. If you enjoyed the video itself, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe with notifications if you're new to the channel, that way you don't miss any of my videos. That being said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!